to how you doing, YouTube. All right. YouTube hopefully is doing well. My mic wasn't on, though. All right. So, you don't have to write any of these in expanded form, but it would be good for you, right? Who wants to try to help us expand number 1? Do you have a code name? Sushi. Sushi. Go ahead, Sushi. All the way from Japan. Let's hear it for Sushi. Came all the way from Japan.
You would do 5 times 2 first.
Okay.
Which equals 10, and then you'd add up the b's.
No, what did I say? I said, let's write this in expanded form.
Oh, you would do v plus v.
5 times
Oh, that's what you meant.
v,
V
v, v, v. So we write 5 of them, and then?
times 2 v, v, v.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that 8? Yes. All right, good. See, now that it's an expanded form, we know we definitely wouldn't do 5 times 8 for the exponents, would we? No, because we see that we have how many v's total, young Sushi?
13.
10v to the 13th power. Make sense? That's what she said. She said she wanted her name to be Sushi. So, hey, food is a good code name. Okay, 10v to the 13th. Excellent. All right. Who wants to try number 2? Go.
You would write x times 5 times x times x.
Okay. Which makes?
Where it makes 5x to the 4th.
Okay, good. That's correct. Now, what's the most common mistake there? 5x to the 3rd, right? That's the most common mistake. But remember, that's not a 0, that's a 1, right? That's an invisible 1, so it's actually 3 plus 1. Okay, number 3. You have a code name? Cal? Cow. Why do you want to be Cow? He likes hamburgers. Okay, mister. Go ahead.
North Dakota.
You do 6,
Mhm.
right? 6, and then you do 5 kids.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You write 3,
Mhm.
and you do 5 kids again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You write 2,
Mhm.
and you do 6 kids.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what we got?
You get 36 MK to the 16th.
36k to the 6th. 36k to the 16th? Yeah, you're right. Good job. All right, we got it? All right, let's look at raising an exponent to another exponent. Let's try number 6. I know we skipped some. We're skipping around. Yes? Do you have a code name? We want to use your real name? Okay. Kaylin, go ahead.
You would do 2 times 2 times 2.
Wait, why would we do that?
Because it's to the 6th power. Oh, you just do 2 to the 6th power.
Okay, but I want you. Let's expand this. Let's expand this. How are we gonna expand it?
So you get 2,
Mm-hmm.
U3. Oh, U3 times.
Yeah, u 3 times. Good. 1, 2, 3, and then
V2 times.
right.
Then you'd write that 6 times.
Right. So we're gonna write that 6 times. See, and if you know your expanded form, then you don't even need to memorize any rules. You just have to write an expanded form. You'll get the right answer. So let me copy and paste since I can do that and you can't. Ha ha. Okay, so now we know what our answer is going to be. What's it going to be, Caitlin?
It'd be 64.
Mm-hmm.
U18, V12.
So we have, let's see, so we have 18 U's and 12 V's. Okay, so let's see, 2 to the 6th power. So that'd be 4 times 4 times 4. Yeah, that's right. I'm just going to write 2 to the 6th power, though, because that's just so much easier for Remember, you can do that. You don't have to multiply it all the way out. 2 to the 6th power. Just as acceptable in my mind. Okay, any questions?
Nope.
No?
On to the next problem.
Okay, somebody want to do number 8? Do you have a code name, sir? Jacob
Sartorius.
Sartorius fan. Okay, go ahead.
So you write 3,
Mhm,
M 2 times,
mhm.
M 3 times,
Okay,
and then you write that 6 times.
6 times. Okay, I'm not gonna do it all those many times. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste again. Meow. Copy paste. Whoa, what happened? That was weird. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, do this. I copy and then it's not pasting. It's not pasting. That's so weird. Oh well, I'm gonna have to write it again. I don't want it. I don't want to at all. Alright. I know, but I have technology here, so I'm trying to use my technology wisely. Yes, you do. You guys have more technology than I had growing up.
True.
When I was growing up, we had a phone in the house. It was like a phone that people called, and if you weren't home, you had an answering machine. All right, so we end up with 3 to the what power? 6. M to the 12. M to the 18. Hey, those problems are really similar, huh? All right, let's move down. Bless you. What?
What was the answer?
There it is. All right, dividing. Hey, we did number 9 in the other class. Let's do number 10. Okay, do you have a code name, young lady?
No.
What do you have? You want to use your regular name?
Save the plastic straws.
Save the plastic straws!
No, it wasn't good.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so you would cross out the 6 and the 3, so it would be 2 and 1.
Okay, so we're going to reduce that to 2 and 1 by dividing by 3. Good.
You do the same with the y's, so that way there would be.
Well, let's expand this because that's going to help us out on this one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's actually supposed to be an X. Okay, now what?
And then 2 y
Yep. 1 and 2 Y's. Okay.
over 3 y's and
Mm-hmm.
8 z's.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Good. So what can we cancel out?
You can cancel out the y's.
Right. So there's 1 Y here, 2 Y's that cancel out. But nothing else cancels, huh? Alrighty. So we have 2x to the 8th, and we over
Y.
y
And z
z to the 8th. 2x to the 8th over y times z to the 8th. Yeah. Oh, buddy. This is not written very well. Who was that did that? That was a long time ago. That's right, Shiloh. Whatever his name is.
He inspired me to make the same.
Anyway. Alright, do we need to do another one of those or not? No. Okay.
Actually,
This one?
Negative 1 because it's negative.
Alright. Which one you want to try?
12.
Let's do 12. Alright, who wants to do it? Okay, sir, do you have a code name?
Call me the churro.
The what?
Churro.
The churro?
Yes.
Okay, churro.
Hi, Cheryl.
Go ahead. How do we do this one?
So, first off, you can simplify negative 8 and negative 10.
Right, so what do we divide those by?
You divide them by 2,
Negative 2.
negative 2.
And we get
And we get 4.
4 and 5. 4/5. Very good.
So positive
Next.
4 and 5?
And then, after that, I guess we find out instead form. So then we have 4 Q M 3 times.
Mm-hmm.
No, you have to move the 5 and the 4 the other way.
No.
Because it was negative.
No, it's not a negative exponent.
Oh,
It's not a negative exponent.
isn't the 4 still negative?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
No, because we divided by -2. All right.
5.
Go ahead. 5.
5 M 7 times. And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then P 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So what now?
then from there, we cancel out the M's.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3 cancels. Gone. Get out of here. Hey, get out of here.
I think I got
Okay.
it right.
So now we have 4Q, right? Over. That's supposed to be a Q. 4Q over.
5
5.
M power 4.
Mm-hmm.
And P power 7.
You got it.
That is good.
All right, let's give a hand to all the volunteers so far. Very good. Okay. Okay.
Oh, that's one.
Let's see what's next. Oh, by the way, you see how it's giving you these extra hints in the directions? That's not going to be there on the test. So you're going to have to know what to do. You're going to have to know what to do. Negative exponents. All right, who wants to try number 13? Do you have a code name, sir? Okay, Vince, let's go.
And first, we write down 2. And then we write down negative x 16. Or not just x 16.
No, what does a negative exponent do?
Oh, goes to the bottom.
Right, so we need to go 2
Over
over.
x power 6.
Yes, you got it that time.
Um,
Cool. Well, remember, negative exponents moves it to the denominator. Yep. Okay, and then same thing with these. These are easy too. See, look, so this y to the 5th goes down to the denominator. So 4x to the 4th over y to the 5th. Right?
Yeah.
Right. All right, let's move down. Hey, I'm on the next page.
Wait, how'd you
wait, hold up.
Huh?
how'd you get there?
I scrolled down.
What?
Oh,
Whoa.
my.
Whoa.
Okay, now I need to change pencils here. Let's change pencils. I need a smaller pencil. I'm going to use pink. All right. Who wants to try this one? I told you to put the book away. All right. Yes. Hmm? Okay, go ahead.
So, we would first put the b with a -2 for an exponent down.
Yes, so we're going to take this and move it DOWN right down there. Okay, so let's rewrite the problem. U6 over
2u7 b4 b2.
Very good. All right, good. And that whole thing is being raised to the 3rd. All right, what now?
Then we would write it we would write it 3 times.
Well, we could, but we don't want to do that yet. It's more work. It's shorter if we simplify the u's and the v's first.
Oh, okay. Then we would add so we would multiply b4 and b2,
Right, which makes
which makes b6.
v to the 6th power. Good. All right, so let's see. So on the denominator here, we have v to the 6th. What else?
And then we would divide u6 and u7,
Mm-hmm.
and it would be just u.
U where?
At the bottom.
Right, so u in the denominator. Okay, what else?
And then we'll add 1 to the top.
1 in the top, and this 2. Don't forget about that 2 right there. Okay, so this whole thing is to the 3rd power. Okay, now we take it to the 3rd power. It's 1 over
2. Oh wait, 2 after the 3rd power.
2 to the 3rd power,
U
u to the 3rd power,
B to the 18th.
b to the 18th power. Dun dun dun!
Wow.
Notice how I showed work. I showed work how many times? Once, twice, 3 times. And the 4th line. So you that did it all in your head, you really shouldn't do that. You really should show your work. Hmm?
U to the 3rd. It says U to the 3rd. Oh wait,
U to the 3rd because 6 and 7, they all canceled out except 1 in the denominator. Right? Okay. Alright, can I move on?
Yeah.
Are we having fun yet?
Yes, we are.
Kind of.
No. We're having fun. We're having fun. We're having oodles of fun. Oh, but that is fun.
How about this one?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Cross out the 0 exponent.
Yeah, the one with the exponent, we just get rid of it. We say, hey, get out of here, 0 exponent. We don't want you here, Mr. Zero. Yeah, get out of here. Get out.
That's okay, let's go.
She's being mean. All right. Okay. All right. Let me see. Let me get another small little writing utensil here. How about, what is this? Gray. I'm using gray. All right. What's next?
Then we have to simplify it.
Okay. How do we simplify the y's? So 1's going to cancel, and then 1 on here, so that's 2. Okay.
And you give it'll be 2 to the power of 7
2 to the power of 7 over.
over x to the power of 7 y to the power of 14.
Right. There you go.
Wait.
Well, we took this whole thing to the 7th power, so that means you have to write it out 7 times, and that would give us 7 2's, 7 x's, but 14 of those y's. Any other questions? All right, let's go down. I'm going to zoom out now.
This is really easy.
I like that if you think it's easy. All right. Okay, so what is the closest answer to this?
10.
The square root, the number that multiplies times itself to make 50.
25.
7 point something something something.
So the closest answer I hear is 7. Why?
Because
Because it's closest to square root of 49. Okay, how about number 22?
9.
Not divided by 2.
Okay, 7. Wait.
4.
4 times 4 is 16, so
you were on 23.
it's closest. Oh, no, I was on 22. You got it right though for number 23. Okay, so this is 4, and this one is 9. What about number 24?
9.
Well, it's between 11 and 12. What's 11 squared? 121, right? And 12 squared is 144. So I think it's closer to 121, huh?
Where are the squiggly
Squiggly means approximately. Although I don't know why I drew them so big. They're not supposed to be that huge. Meow.
Are we supposed to do it in the test though?
Yes,
Well, I think I got the
almost equal, not quite equal to. There, I shrunk them so they look more like waves. What do you need to calculate? Let's write out your perfect squares. So here's your perfect squares. 1, 4, 9, 16, right? 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared. Shh. Okay, 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared, right? So write out all your perfect squares. 7 squared, 8 squared, 9 squared, 10 squared, right? So if you write them all out, you don't need a calculator. Nope. All right, bye.